Hello, good morning, happy Monday. It is Monday, December 16th, day after my daddy's birthday, 2019. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I did trade one day last week. I worked on the video some. I had to split it up in two 1-hour videos. And, it wasn't my best day of trading, so I found myself struggling to go back to it to watch it. So I know it's super important. I'll probably have it out. I'll put it out one day this week when I don't trade. That way there's just a video there. Let's talk a little bit about what's happening. The kids have school half day Wednesday, half day Thursday, none Friday, and then they're out for the rest of Christmas break. So things are going to get a little weird. The market's probably going to run a little bit slow because of the Christmas holidays. So I may just finish off this week and then take the next 2 weeks off and work on some projects that I've been really working towards building. I have opened up a new company. It is called You Profit Trader. Oh, You Profit Trader. And I'll put a link down in the description below so you can check it out if you like. Really what we're doing with that company is we're taking this idea of learning to trade, and then for those of you who really struggle with being able to have the funds to start trading, I know that becomes a point of frustration for so many people. Having the money can be something that really holds someone back from trading. It puts a lot of fear in their hearts. I mean, I've seen it. I've been there. I've done it. It puts some fear in your heart whenever you start saying, oh man, are we going to, this is money out of my own pocket. Well, this is a different way of doing it. We actually help you to become funded. We like to consider that we're sponsoring you. Because what you're going to do is you're going to come and go through some of our testing, which is fairly simple testing. We don't even worry about news because some people prefer to trade news. We all have different styles of trading. And so you go through the testing, show us that you can trade, and then you can get funded with an account. But that is something that has just really helped me to come about full circle, because I really like the idea of being able to help people go through the education of learning to trade and then be able to step over into the being able to get funded so they can really become an independently responsible day trader. I feel like that is my job, is to teach people to become independently responsible day traders. I don't want you to rely on me forever. I don't want you to feel like you have to keep coming back and be like, oh, what's the next pro trade that you have? No, none of that junk. We learn it all and then we move forward to the next step. So I think a big part of it is learning how to use your trading platform, learning how to set up your account, learning how to understand what all of the indicators mean, learning how to place those trades in an environment that is optimal for them, and then learning to take the exit when it's time. So the next part is, how do you move forward from here? And it's just been a great journey. We have been officially open 1 month tomorrow. We've done a little bit of testing. It's ready to roll, y'all. In the spirit of being ready to roll, let's go and check out the market. God bless. These are my hardest days ever, okay? This run to the upside is just something that makes it so tough for me. Let's look at this daily chart. That top Bollinger Band is not really pushing down. We've made that little bit of a guppy belly here, which tells us we may get a pullback, but it's looking to more than likely continue up that guppy belly now that we're pulling to that opposite edge. Something kind of like right in here. It may pull back a little bit, but with that little bit of a, and I know guppy belly is a weird term, but just that dip down below in the one Bollinger Band while the other one stays steady. And the close is towards the top of these bars. For a little while, I really thought we might push back down to the downside around here, but nope. So our goal is to just pay attention, see what's going on, and continue. Let's show a little bit down. We have a little floor created here. I'm going to give the long one chance, even though this is pushing down, as we're pulling back to this area. We make just the tiniest bit of a floor. I'm going to go 2 ticks behind that low. I am out in the middle because out here is where that next space is. I'm hitting close on this. Ooh. This one may get me too. Leading lower, pulling down. I'll need to watch right as it's pulling back here. Oh, this may not have been the best decision. I'm going to take a point off of this one just to feel a little more comfortable. Tiny little bars are starting to be created down here. It's creating a little tiny bit of a floor. And I'm going to move this back to the break even. Actually, we're going to +1 there. I'm hitting close. Just pulling right back into a space with the movement up. This may give us a pretty decent pullback. I want to give this one a shot, y'all. Looks weird, but I'm going to do it. Have me right behind this little spot. Comes back, it comes back, but I like the way this pulled down and this started to roll up. I know I'm below the 0 line here, but I think this has some potential to just push right back up to this area. I like that I'm right behind this close. It can still come back to it. That one took me, huh? Okay. We're still good. I'm still in the long mindset. I'm gonna go with this thing, not against it. up there. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is going to be it. It's going to be all she wrote today. We're going to spread these out and just let it do its thing. It's coming back. It's coming back. Just because of patience, I'm going to take this one. Okay. It's just a patience thing at this time. I'm still not going to let this pull all the way back if it's going to try to. Reversal bar potentials. I'm going to close this out. Lord. Have mercy. Let's see what we did today. Woo. 6 trades, 8 points. Four wins. Plus 8 points. That wasn't so much a hard day as patience was really tested. I entered that trade at 10, that first one and the last one at 10:17. And I exited at 11:07. It was almost an hour. And there was a lot of signs that it was going to continue up. Let me fix my screen just a little bit. There we go. There was a lot of signs that it was going to continue up. It was hard to take them, and this is something I've been working on with these little stuck between areas and a strong move up. It's something that in my mind is always looking for that short to turn it around, or if a strong move down, I'm looking for that long to go around, because I always feel like, well, there's not much space to travel, but really it's very, very open right now because we're making new highs. So, you know, in the last few days haven't been very easy. I'm probably going to try and trade tomorrow as well, and then leave. We'll see about Wednesday. Wednesday we're going to the DPS to get licensed up my 17-year-old. Thursday and Friday I definitely won't be around. Maybe Friday. The kids sleep in on Friday. Next week, I'm not trading at all next week. We'll see about the following week. I may find a day or two, but definitely not trading, you know, up until New Year's. But that's about it. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Be sure and check out You Profit Trader and, you know, give us a little bit of love. And otherwise, guys, you know, I look forward to seeing you on the profitable side.